This year, students who are writing UPSC mains are really feeling stressed. The main reason is the gap between the prelims and mains is very less. The day on which prelims result is out, from that day till the mains exam, the time is very less this year. Because of which, not only the first time mains going students, but also senior veterans who wrote mains few times, they are also feeling stressed. So does the next 14-15 days, do they really impact your mains answer writing or mains score? Yes. The last 2 weeks, according to me, really decides your score in the mains. So what shall you do in these last 2 weeks before the mains examination? According to me, friends, first one, revision. Rather than focusing on learning the new things which you missed out in the last 1 year, because most of the students panic, they want to learn new things which they haven't covered. According to me, compared to reading new things, revising whatever you learned in the last 1 or 2 or 3 years is quite important. First point. Secondly, mains is not like prelims. Prelims does not require stamina to write the examination. But mains, you have to write back-to-back exams continuously. You have to write many papers. So stamina is very important. Only those students who are very healthy physically and mentally, active, they only can perform well in the mains. So next 2 weeks, how much time you sleep, what kind of food you eat, whether you exercise or not, are you maintaining a stress-free life? All these things matter, because I have seen students who fall sick in the last just few days before the mains, and students who feel sleeplessness during the mains examination or stressed out during the mains examination. Hence, you have to focus on these things. Do meditate, yoga, do exercise, eat good food, be healthy, sleep well, revise what you know. Don't panic about what you did not cover. It's okay to leave few marks in the mains. For example, 3 or 4 marks here and there, you may miss, but it's okay. It's okay. Now, on the day of the mains, on the days on which you write the mains, my suggestion is, if you are unable to manage the time, let us say in 3 hours, you have to attempt 20 questions. Let us say in the last half an hour, you have 6 questions or 7 questions to write. Don't get panic. What you shall do is, in that half an hour, don't try to fill the pages. If it is 10 marks question, as they give 2 pages, you write only 1 to 1.5 page if time is less. In 15 marks questions, if they give 3 pages, write only 2 pages. If you don't have time, write limited pages. In those limited pages, try to address all the aspects of the question. If the question is asking 4 to 5 aspects or dimensions, cover every aspect, but in a very limited way. On every side heading, write 2 or 3 points only. Like that, cover the entire question, but within 2 pages. For 15 marks, 1 page for 10 marks. In that way, you can actually finish the examination towards the end if you are running out of time. If you have time, definitely you have to focus on filling the pages also. This is the second thing. Third thing, friends, after you write GS1, while going to GS2, don't look at GS1 once again. After coming out of the exam hall, don't focus on how many questions you wrote, how many questions you left, have written correct facts or no. Don't look at that. Your focus should always be on the next examination. Whatever examination you have written, it's past, it's over. You cannot do anything about it. You have to focus on next examination. And between the mains examinations, sleep very well. I'm telling this because I know many students who put night outs before the mains examination. Particularly before GS3, GS4, as GS3 has a lot of facts to revise, after writing GS2, they lead a sleepless night revising GS3. It's very harmful. If you sleep well, at least for 7 hours, your mind would work very well. You can memorize all the things that you read in the last 2 to 3 years also. So sleep well between the examinations. Between day exam and evening exam also, in between both the examinations also, take care of rest, have enough water, eat right food, and don't discuss much with your friends. Have a calm and present mind. These are the tips I want to give before the mains examination and during the mains examination. Take care, do well. If you want to practice any one full-length mock test before the mains, we are providing a free full-length mains test series. 5 exams, essay, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, free of cost with the name Anukaran. You can register for test series in the description below, or you can contact us. For every exam, evaluation will be done quickly. So make use of it. All the best.